Hey lawn dogs, Floyd with Ulnar Lawn Care, ulnarlawncare.com. Hey, I'm going to introduce you to this guy in the orange vest here in a minute. New employee. Rookies. We'll be back in a minute. Hey lawn dogs, we got them working. Morgan's getting better at the Kubota. And Tyler trimming. Here we go. Hey lawn dogs, I don't know if you heard me earlier, but I'm making him wear the orange vest. He doesn't have to. I told him all new guys have to wear it. So he's embarrassed. But he's getting it done. He's getting it done. He's moving slow. Look at him move so slow. I told him orange vest of safety. I still got him wearing that orange vest. He's gonna wear it all day. He thinks he has to, because he's a newbie, like it's some kind of state law.
Left the big city for the simple country life. Found myself a woman that it took for me to be my wife. I was working on the ground come the sun up to sundown. Yeah, I'm trying to make a reputation for a man inside this town. Hard as I try, maybe I just can't. I ain't no up and kinda leaving me. Kissed me one time and she took my heart. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me. I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. Well, working 3 jobs, living out of a car. Mama never told me life would get this hard. Running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me. I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I know George Jones and Gary Sturt, and all them young guns, yeah, they've been through. Tell you one thing that you won't believe, one ain't nothing but a thing to me. Burn right through them like a cigarette, or a line of cocaine on a private jet. I give them good loving like they won't forget. Baby, good Lord knows what time it is. Hard as I try, maybe I just can't. I ain't no up and kinda leaving me. Kissed me one time and she took my heart. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me. I'm a honky-tonk star. Well, working 3 jobs, living out of a car. Mama never told me life would get this hard. Running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me. I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. I'm a honky-tonk star. Lord, I'm a honky-tonk star. playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. Left the big city for the simple country life.
So hey, lawn dogs, meet Tyler. Tyler is my first full-time employee. Well, I guess he's not really, Morgan. You're kind of full-time, right? But he's going to be working with me through the winter and plowing and all that. And so excited to have him here. He's got the orange vest of safety on. For the new guys in Michigan, you got to wear the orange vest. Some kind of state law. Not really. I'm just making him wear it for fun. And he's had it on all day, and he doesn't need to have it on at all. But I just messing with him. So, yeah. Anyway, so Tyler moved here from Colorado to Michigan. He's dating my daughter, so told him if he's committed enough to move here to be with her, then I will make sure he's working. So that's why he's here, and we're gonna show you some footage. And Morgan is training him today. It is Sunday. Morgan is training Tyler how to do the trimming and stuff like that. So we'll get you some footage and we'll be back. All right, Morgan, how did you do today?
How did I do?
No, how did the newbie do?
Did alright.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
Like a 6 out of
6 out of 10.
Yeah.
All right, what'd you think? Look at, you're all dirty.
I did 12 out of 10.
You did a 12 out of 10? All right, hey guys, so Tyler will be working with us. You'll see a lot more of them. Well, yeah, and the video's moving forward. So, always give maximum effort, and you guys suck! Be kind to everyone. Follow the route.